Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Dawn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the menu button down below in the right side of the screen. Then click on settings, which is the third section. After that, tap on notifications. Click on enable notifications, then you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow the app to have access to your notifications. So tap on the last icon and click on this button, allow notifications. Then go back to the app and tap on add alert to new tasks or icon badge. So that's how you can turn on notifications. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.